What's going on, gang? I'm back with another quick reaction for y'all. Now, this is the police chase video, as y'all can see. I don't know the whole full details of the video, but it's a real intense video. Like, comment, subscribe, follow. Let me know what y'all think about this video.
As of now, let me see that right hand.
Oh, shit. Oh, God damn. I was so mad.
Get my squad here now. Back up! We're in
The guys got involved with a car accident like that.
Put your fucking hands up now! Put your fucking hands up! Back up! Hands up! Hands up! Put your fucking hands up now! Let me see that right hand! Shots fired! I'm hit!
You got into a car accident and you still shooting at the police?
Put your fucking hands up now! Let me see that right hand! Shots fired! I'm hit!
What?
Fuck it. Shots fired!
Man, that was intense as hell. If y'all like these type of videos, let me know, because I can drop a lot of these videos. I got a lot of these police videos. Like, comment, subscribe, follow, and let me know what y'all think about this video.